Jojo could sadly not make it because they're on vacation. Yeah.
Yeah, like it's so
Oh,
unfortunate.
we're gonna start with 13 people.
Yeah.
Okay then. Good luck, everybody
Wow.
else.
I hear a buzzing in my right ear headphone.
Thank you.
What?
Guys, I just want to say, since I am amazing and just so cool,
I
saw you die.
don't eliminate.
Oh
said
my
you
god,
were
Tyra,
amazing.
you're racist.
Huh? Huh?
Huh? Did I say something crazy? Oh yes. Oh my god.
So you win
my God,
too
oh my
much
God.
shit.
Don't
Fall.
fall. Peachy, don't fall, Peachy. Oh,
Jocelyn,
okay, I
don't
fell.
die. Oh, you died.
Oh, go kill yourself. I hate. Oh.
I'm sorry, do not use that language.
Guys, I already...
Oh wait, never mind.
Oh my god, is that
Guys.
Daphne? Janelle, you're Daphne.
I'm not a Daphne. I'm a Caucasian.
Oh,
I'm not Caucasian. I refuse.
so I looked to the left and then I looked to the right and I noticed that I'm sitting beside two people who I hate.
Miss
Oh,
Little
I'm just-
Psycho, you're not
Everybody
saying that.
look to the
What?
right.
Who called my name?
No one. You're crazy. You're hallucinating.
Am I schizophrenic?
No.
Wait.
No, oh my god, I don't know. Like,
Oh my
guys,
God.
don't vote me, guys.
So
Don't
intense.
vote me. Don't.
Oh my god, guys. I would just like to take this moment to say, Happy Chinese New Year, everyone. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Oh.
Oh no.
Happy
Oh,
Hanukkah.
so we know who first booed his mama.
I really looked to the left and looked to the left and looked to the. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, two bad people, and oh my god.
Guys, why are you gonna send in bad people first?
Jocelyn,
You guys are
Bonbon,
supposed to vote me.
package.
This isn't going according to plan.
You better eat. Oh shit.
You better
they're-
eat them up. You
Yeah,
better
they're
eat
done.
It's gonna be a
I'm sorry.
double.
Be eating them.
Come on, son. We know you have a tight pussy.
Oh,
Okay, guys, but what happens if like the time runs out?
It's a random.
It should be a double.
That's right. That's
Oh,
really
Jocelyn.
sensitive. You wanted to.
Okay, go.
Oh yes,
Okay, go.
eating.
Can you
Am I-
do inch by inch by inch?
Just take your time.
Inch by
You have
inch,
100
inch by inch. Yeah.
Okay,
yeah. Oh no.
Never
Really
the
good.
dogs. That's right.
They're like taking turns going. Like, you go first. No, you.
God.
You're gonna be here for a while.
I'm gonna be
Guys,
Oh my
I'm gonna be here for a whole 3 minutes.
Wait, oh my god.
Oh, uh-oh.
So how's this day?
Mine is going extremely well. Guys, she was just standing there. How she sink?
Why did you jump for the second one?
Why are you jumping?
If you keep missing the second one, jump first, please.
Guys, you walk. Turn the corner. Yes, you walk. You're going straight.
There you go.
There you go.
You
There
jump.
you
Oh
go.
my god.
Oh my god.
You walk
Oh
straight.
my god, I'm gonna
Stop
cry.
it.
Someone's gonna get it. Someone's gonna get it. I believe in them. Like,
You
we're getting
jump.
there. We're getting
You
somewhere.
jump. You jump.
Yeah,
Oh, you jump.
yeah,
You
yeah,
jump.
yeah.
You jump.
Never mind. Never mind.
She's robbed.
Guys, walk straight, maybe. Walk straight.
You walk.
Walk
You know,
straight.
jump. You walk. Jump.
Enough, enough,
Jump.
enough,
Jump.
enough.
Oh, it's random.
No, you.
I'm tired of this. I am tired.
Guys,
This is really good, guys.
you
You can't
walk
find-
forward. You go straight. You go straight. Yeah. No.
I'm
Okay.
so sorry.
Done.
Wow.
I tried the best I
Oh
could.
my-
You won. You're both going home. Oh my god.
Oh,
No.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
And she was 2 jumps away too. It's Tyra's
Oh
fault.
my god.
Kitty's gonna be coming back in the redemption challenge.
I'm gonna cut that.
Tyra's
Is there
fault.
even a redemption, honestly?
What are you gonna do? Ground
It's
me?
time to hold still, bitch.
You
Bye.
should probably not say that. You will.
There's a force holding me in the same spot.
Oh my god, this
Oh,
is
I
racist.
took
Oh my
one
god, you
jump
hate
and I
yellow people.
Oh shit. Guys, I'm so good. Like,
Wait.
Really?
Wait. Sunny, look at me, Sunny. Wait, Sunny, look behind you. Something is there, Sunny. Wait,
Do
did you see
not
Robux?
listen.
Did you see Robux? Sunny, wait. Sunny, wait. Wait, Sunny, wait. Sunny, let's wait.
Who is
Let's
that?
wait.
Blue star.
Jocelyn, how about you just jump
Tyler.
off? You get free Robux. I
What?
promise.
Oh,
I
yeah.
was
happened?
oh my god.
I gotta go away.
Sunny, Sunny, look at me.
Dude.
Oh my god, Sunny. Hi, Sunny.
Julia,
Hi.
I'm a fucking seagull.
Oh my god, Sunny, Sunny. Oh my god, Sunny.
I kidnapped one of her. I kidnapped one of her sisters. Mine now.
Oh my god, I blame Peachy. Honestly, why is it so
What happened to the
broken?
photo?
Yes.
Hey
Bye,
guys,
Echo.
someone told me in DMs to vote for actually I don't know where I was going with that. Forget about it.
Backdoor Barney.
Decklyn, this is why I voted you. Alright.
This is the most
Oh!
Oh.
What?
Who got in?
Oh no!
Fun again!
Hello.
Oh, it's a sword fight.
Oh my god.
Or scout fight.
Fund is gonna crush Jay with those thighs.
Oh.
Look
Wow.
at them.
Why is it so crickets? Like, why is it so crickets? Like, somebody else like say something other than Tyler. Like,
It's
I'm
crickets
enjoying
because
myself.
Who sent the
Tyler's
rainbow
speaking.
emoji?
Maybe some people just
Can you
don't
put a
want to talk
fire
to you.
emoji next to it?
Fund, what the fuck are you doing? You're hiding, but you're.
Oh my god. Who won?
Who?
Who?
I think Fund won.
Jay,
Oh my
I swear if you got
gosh,
out to
who's the
Fund.
winner?
Jay.
Oh,
hey,
Fun
I
did
swear to
not win.
God.
Fun did not win.
Oh.
Fun, how did you get out to Jay though? Like,
On my
hello?
screen, I saw Jade go
What?
down.
Oh
Guys,
my
I heard if
god.
you
Final
shoot
11.
someone, you get money.
Oh god.
Oh.
This is
Guys,
evil.
where's Sunny?
I just left the
White man. Like, is
Maybe-
like, are you guys okay with that?
Maybe
Yes,
we
I
do
love
already
homophobic people.
challenge.
I'm homophobic myself.
Um.
Oh,
You know my hips don't lie.
No.
Okay, if your hips don't lie, then they don't lie. Like,
I don't support it, but I respect.
Please.
because her photo is crossed off. How
Yeah,
you
I
gonna?
know. I'm not dumb. I'm freaking
Oh, yes.
smarter than you.
Guys.
But like then
really
in the
quiet.
challenges, I'll just TP
Guys.
Sunny.
Wait, guys, I didn't got teleported.
That's your problem.
Bring Jessie in.
Wait, TP me, 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 TP me.
Vote
okay,
you? Okay.
that's now.
Oh my god.
So like,
Okay, well.
Not again.
Oh.
Oh,
Yeah.
my god.
oh my god.
Oh, Peachy, you're
Hello?
doing
It's gonna
good.
take a wrong turn to like.
I had to fucking laugh,
You know,
Peachy.
Peachy, you're in a car and
I
you're getting in a
know.
car crash.
Peachy, I'm so sorry.
Hello?
Peachy.
Why did
It's
Peachy,
Oh,
how do you
whatever.
get out to Jay?
See Sunny right there.
Well,
What?
You asked the same question to like whatever their name was. Fund.
Yeah,
I'm so
fine.
sorry, Peachy. You literally flopped that.
Nothing.
Guys, I'm.
Wait, did you guys start recording?
Ew.
Yes.
Ew.
Okay.
I'm in the dark. Y'all can't see me.
I still don't know what I'm looking
Echo,
for.
it's time to echo back to echo. Look forward. Focus. Enough is enough. I'm not about that. Wait.
I'm
Oh, y'all
literally-
Wait, I think I see something, guys. I think I see something.
I don't really know
Okay,
what
guys,
It's a
it
I
looks
candle.
like.
You
I didn't saw anything. I was crazy.
You guys.
Jay,
wait.
stop.
Blue.
Wait, is
You
that
guys,
something?
where's the row?
Oh, wait, what?
Oh my
Wow.
god.
What?
Like an assassin.
Crash your boat in the ocean.
I feel like it's like the buy.
So,
Oh,
like,
there's
in
a
front-
redemption.
in front of Blue and Jay, and next to Tyra.
Peachy, why are you in a
next to
bath?
Me, and in front of Jaw.
I'm kind of chewing up right now.
That was
I'm in
a lot of
boat. I'm in a
names.
boat.
Like next to
Swear to God,
me,
I
Tyra, in front of Blue and Jay, and behind Dog.
I do
Who's
not
that
remember
there?
seeing this behind Echo.
Who
Wait.
said there
Oh my
wasn't
God.
a
Leave
redemption?
Jay
I never said there
alone.
wasn't.
Oh my
Oh.
god.
Oh my god. And jump forwards into the glass for like a power up or
Please,
something.
Tyler, stand for 10 seconds. It's not fair.
Oh.
Tyler stands the for 10 seconds. 1. No, Tyler, stop.
Roots for my roots for my cabin 1. The roots for the white people.
Oh my god.
Yes.
I'm not gonna be
What
loud.
just happened?
I'm finally putting Jay down.
Go on mute because I'm lucky I have microphone.
Oh,
3 strikes, you're out.
Honestly, like, isn't this bitch in the finale? Why the fuck is she still here?
I mean, guys.
Never mind. I'll delete those
8.
pictures.
Yeah,
Die.
final 8.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's me again.
I feel like.
Can
Can
I
we
be you
put her
again?
down once and for all? Like, crash her boat in the middle
Why
of
does
the
everybody want me to
Atlantic.
teep?
I mean, oh, wait.
Why is Pip
Yeah.
here?
Go away.
I
can't see. Oh my
It's so
I
bright.
can't see.
I'm going
I
blind.
can't see. I can't see.
God.
What happened?
Oh,
Blind.
Right.
look
Like,
around
what
for
the
the
fuck?
anything.
Oh.
Girl, Tyra, no.
Tyra.
What the
I hate my life.
Go. I will make sure to put you down.
Oh.
I literally thought there was like a
I
few
never
more
said
rounds
something.
too.
Money. Oh my god, Peachy isn't even monetized yet. This bitch flopped.
Shut up. You don't even have like a good channel, so like well,
Oh my god.
You guys,
Oh
I think
my
we're getting a little intense.
No, because Jocelyn,
Yeah,
this is
we're
why
getting-
you should
we're
get
getting
out.
a little
Like everybody
fussy.
put
What's
Jocelyn
your
right this
please?
second, or else I am going to ban you all.
Oh.
Look at the difference of skin
Voting
between
ended.
all of us. Would you really vote me?
Guys,
First scout.
I
with
say
the
vote
highest rating.
Dakota.
Oh my
god. Oh my god. The scout with the second most votes.
To the decline.
Oh.
Maybe you
It
can
may
fuck
be
it up.
a triple
It
elimination. It may be a... Right.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I literally lost on this one in the first All-Star.
Just walk backwards.
Oh, Frankie, you're
I do
walking.
not remember
Okay,
there being
just
an
stand still
all-star.
then.
On the
Now you
thick
have to put
green
all-stars
wall.
as well, Peachy.
If you're walking, just stand
Oh.
still. You know.
Please.
I feel like this will be a very slay moment.
Oh,
Oh my god.
oh.
It's a double death. I mean quadruple because there's 4.
What place did that go?
Oh my god.
I can
Look
save
around.
Yay!
Oh
Oh
my
my god.
What's up?
I'm not going home.
Bye.
Yes, are you? We're not going home.
Down leg.
Oh,
Oh my god, that's so aesthetic and kawaii. Oh my god, I love
I
Japanese.
know. My
you.
pink shotgun is so adorable. Just like ask all the boys shot with it. Like,
Guys,
it's really,
whoever-
really kawaii.
I'm pretty sure it's gonna be 2 winners. Then whoever wins gets back.
Oh, so there's 2 people coming back. Crazy.
I mean,
Oh my god.
Wash my hands.
there's 2 because I'll tell you why there's 2. Oh, Tyler.
Oh.
Tyler, can you stop that?
I didn't do anything.
I heard
Why are
you.
you all
all
like
I
scrolling
heard
through
you.
like TikTok?
We all heard you, actually.
It's so funny.
What's so funny?
Why
What the
Peachy
fuck?
came to the end?
Wait.
Peachy's literally lying to the end and removing everyone's floor.
Yes. How did you know? Just like I did with you.
You're streaming.
Look a bit.
Hello? Hello? Oh. I could win, but I don't want to come back.
Oh, shut up, Peachy. You're supposed to go home like right now. This is the part where you fucking flop.
He's going home. Peachy, you're not even supposed
Oh
to be
my
here.
God,
Go home. Go home.
Peachy, you're not supposed to be here.
No,
Peachy, you're not supposed
Crash
to be
your
here,
boat.
Peachy.
Oh,
Oh.
Oh my god,
Yellow
Peachy
light.
hacking.
She flew, she cheated.
Peachy, we both know you cheated, you dumb cow. Oh my god, I fucking fell. Wait, that's British.
What is happening?
Oh my god.
So, What is this? Is
Peachy,
actually
move your big
the
fat
contestant.
body. Oh, Peachy. Oh, Peachy, please. Peachy. Oh, my God.
Oh my god.
Go fuck yourself, dumb fucking bitch. Peachy deserve
Oh
Peachy.
my
Go fuck yourself.
God.
Shut up!
What are you doing here? Get away!
Oh my god, oh my god.
What? Why am I not allowed to be here or something?
Yeah,
No.
you're not allowed to be in here.
Get out. Get
This
out.
is my safe space.
Get out of my
Did I
house.
ask? Not really.
This is my safe space away from Peachy, and like you just walked in it.
Oh my god, Tyler, you're doing so good.
What the fuck?
Shut up, do not fling me.
Oh my
my
gosh,
God.
Echo, can I fling you?
What? No.
Let
You
me
know,
fling
wait,
around
fling,
to the end.
please, fling,
Really
fling, fling
intense.
me. I would like to be flinged.
This
I would
is a
love to be flinged.
competition.
Oh my gosh, Jay.
Wait, please
Eat it
fling
up.
me.
Yeah,
I
Eat it
oh
up,
my
eat it
god.
Wait.
Literally, if I were you guys, I would vote Dakota. Yes, I hate that.
Well,
bitch.
Peachy, you're in the spectate, so you can't
I
have
don't
a
slay.
spectate.
Dakota, I'm
boy.
just joking. I don't actually hate you, and I would never call you the beep slayer.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Mm-mm.
Oh my god. Not again.
Does anyone here have OCD? Oh, darling.
Oh my god, this is not it.
Once the match started, the first kid would be
Yes,
hit
I
with a
was
stinger
saying-
and
What?
fall into the lava
Literally,
below.
what
It
accent is
eliminates
that?
them.
You should
What?
jump it. It's fake lava anyway for that. Okay.
Oh my god, I'm gonna lick my balls down
Which one you messed up? It was the first spin. Which one you messed up?
Jay!
I had a
Jay!
I had a heart
Jay,
attack. Hold on.
Jay, are you
dumb.
kidding?
Jay,
Oh
that
my-
was...
No.
So like,
All I remember is Jen eliminating me on Scavenger's 2. Also, this is a blur.
wait, Jay eliminated you.
Wait.
How did
Oh,
Jay beat
no.
you?
Hell no.
Guys, it's
No, I'm
top
good at this
1,
one.
2, 3,
Don't give me
4,
the time
5,
penalty.
6, 7, 8, 9. It's top 9.
Tyra-
Oh my
Tyra-
god, whoever said it was top 8 cannot count.
Guys, I'm breaking down
It's
and
top
threatening
9.
to quit.
Wait, it's top
Oh.
11. Oh my god, you silly
No,
goose.
because there's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, shut the fuck
And then
up,
there's
you
the
silly
triplets. That is 7, 8, 9. 9.
goose. Oh
Final
my
nine.
God.
Oh, science.
Echo.
This challenge is
please,
rigged.
Echo, let me have this Echo. Echo, hi Echo. Hello, Echo. Hello,
Echo location.
Echo. Echo.
No, I need to.
Second
I
Echo.
need
Echo.
I need to surpass this placement.
No, you don't
You guys.
want to surpass your placement. You don't have to.
I mean, I need to like
Honestly.
get higher than my original placement.
Echo,
is that?
please, Echo. Echo, my God.
Gertrude. Say hi. Yeah, Gertrude. Is something wrong?
I personally do not know who the fuck I'm voting. Honestly, I hope that God bless you all.
Oh my
my
gosh, guys,
God.
there's so few seats
Good
now.
luck, guys.
5, 6, 7.
1, 2,
Oh wait, that's
To
not
be the most
that's not
intense round yet.
voted in. The first guy with the highest vote count is. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Y'all shady. Y'all
This is
shady.
The
intense.
guy with the second highest vote count.
Deserved.
Oh my god.
Did you get deja
Tyler,
vu?
get put up and I will give it. That out. Point that out.
Barbie jumps.
Wait, this
Honestly,
is exactly
Ezzy
like
did a
All
good
Stars, I
job.
think.
It is. And I killed her.
Dogs and cats and wolves and
is it
dogs
gonna
and
happen?
weeds.
Oh my god.
I shouldn't have
Wait.
tried that.
Wait.
Tyler.
Tyra, touch it.
Ooh. Oh my god. Wait, it's kind of
Oh.
close. If
Tyler,
one
you
of
got
them
this. I'm
messes up.
rooting for you. Tyler, you got this.
I don't know.
Who is it? Who is it? Who
I
is
feel
it?
it's Tyler.
Let's see who it was.
Wait.
Oh
Tyra.
no. Tyra. They got rid of Tyra
Oh.
Banks.
Oh God bless you, Tyra.
I say we do.
I personally do not. I do not like. Honestly, it's kind of like it could be anyone. Honestly, like it could be me or it could be anyone else.
I'm
Like,
gonna kill
Shut her
myself.
up. Can someone
How do
mute
I
her?
lose my hearing?
Oh my god, she's so international. We love
It's
her
okay.
like
I
5
couldn't hear right for like a whole week because like my right ear completely just shut off half of my hearing.
Aw, why'd you do that?
No.
Hello?
Clementine isn't just a fruit.
No, I'm not doing another redemption now, Tyra.
Oh my god.
Dancing in the middle of the night. Girl, that's Lana. Okay.
I love Britney Spears. I literally love Meghan Trainor.
Guys,
Okay,
I'm
why
just
did
gonna
Nicole
harass.
Oh my.
When
I
pigs
personally do not
can
know who
die.
I'm going to vote,
happy.
but
Going
honestly, I'm gonna go by random. I'm not gonna vote at all.
home. I'm not
I
voting
love
either.
that
guys.
accent for you. I
I
love
think we
it.
should make it random.
International, just like Janelle said.
Oh my god. True.
Yes, she's so international. Her 15 accents.
Yes.
She's
The
so
first
Why
diverse.
is it still
highest
So
double?
diverse.
Is
Oh my
me.
god.
Oh my god, you fucking cunt.
Hang out
What
with
the
You
this
know when you
fuck
leave
is
it
wrong
random,
with
you vote for yourself.
Oh, blue.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh,
Go
OMG.
fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. What the fuck you think you are?
Oh
Oh my
god.
god.
Damn.
We're really gonna miss her accent next week.
I got fifth in the
Honestly,
first
girl,
All Stars.
you're
Don't vote me in
Irish,
next time,
you're
guys,
Irish,
please.
Blue, please, blue, blue. I fucking deserve to be here. Blue, honestly, blue, you fucking look like blue. Please, wait, blue. Did I say you look ugly? No, I meant you look really fucking pretty. Oh,
Oh my god, Jocelyn.
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 what do you
over.
mean? I literally completed it. You're crazy.
It's over.
Oh my fucking god. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you.
Oh my
fuck
god.
you. Fuck all of
Time
you.
to- It was her time to go.
Ugliest,
I go
ugliest.
stairs.
Wait, am I? Wait, am I? Am
no,
I
you know what's funny to me?
promise.
Scavengers 3, I'm pretty sure it had the most cast members.
Is it?
Oh,
I
what is
think
this?
I-
Is this
I-
weird?
It either was supposed to be 5,
Oh,
or it ended up just being
oh
4.
goodness gracious, girl. Oh my god, goodness gracious.
No, because literally, Tyra, I'm not doing another redemption.
Why are there
Stop
only 4 of
harassing
us?
Me.
You
There's
guys.
five.
why
Oh,
is there
wait, who
only
are we
4?
missing? Oh, never mind. There's 5.
Actually,
There's
No, there's
five.
not.
6.
Oh, there
7.
is.
Wait, there's literally 6 of us. What
I
are we
literally
talking about?
wasn't
Seven.
counting
There's 7 of
myself.
us.
I'm
What-
kind of dumb.
You're,
I
you're,
wasn't
you're
counting my
twins. You're 2
Yeah,
twins
there's
behind
7 of
you.
us. What are you guys talking about?
Okay, it's gonna take
Oh
this
my god, how did you-
just over like
blue.
Sunny, go slow. You're by yourself down there.
Wait,
Don't
like, can
try
I
and...
leave? Oh.
Yes, you can leave.
Yeah,
I
you can
think
leave.
Sunny's in their sabotage.
Oh my god, God bless. This is why I don't shop at IKEA anymore.
Oh wait,
Girl.
I'm stupid.
Oh my god, Sunny, you're so smart. I'm
You're
so...
just-
Tyler, what was the point of that?
I don't know where they live.
You don't know where they live?
Oh.
I think blue won.
Damn it.
Wait.
That,
Tyra
like-
Banks?
Yeah, Tyra Banks is...
Whoa.
You're
You guys,
like, Peachy,
one of us is
a
going
vote.
home. I think we know what needs to be done. Wait, why are you all together and I'm like over here? me and my like my other triplets are literally sitting over here.
We don't like her, you guys. We don't like her.
Guys. No.
Exclusion.
I swear. I'm the freaking skeleton one.
Please, I got fifth. I got
Exclusion.
fifth in the original All Stars. Don't put me in. Don't put me in.
Tyra,
Dude,
stop
it's like-
it. I
I want to
can't.
live. Let me live.
Oh, Echo.
Let me
And
live.
this scout with the second highest votes. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I made it past my placement. Oh my god, I got 5th originally.
This is the furthest I made it so far.
Well, Sunny, let's get some deja vu.
Guys,
Echo, you know,
Oh,
rowing is
weren't
always an
you originally
option.
second boot? You made it so
Wait, I actually didn't get second boot. I
said Lukifxr, not you.
Wait, what?
Oh my god.
What about
Oh my
me?
god.
Second boot.
Oh.
I
Sunny kind of won on my screen.
Please. I hate you.
Echo.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. You guys are crazy.
Gertrude's a lesbian.
Gertrude's.
Is there a
She's
problem with that?
silly.
Is there a problem with
crazy.
that?
I just didn't know her sexuality. She
Wait,
made that
Blue
clear
already
now.
won before? What do you mean?
That there was one before this nature treat, like a month before.
Yeah, I was not there for that. Apparently the invite got lost in the mail.
No, I swear you were in it.
I was
She
not.
was in it.
Well, I'm just like full of lies today, I guess.
No More Lies by James
Tyra,
Charles.
why did you swap sides?
Because.
Are you kidding? Mine is so
what if
far
that just made you
away.
lose, huh?
Kill Bill by scissor. Kill Bill by scissor.
Fall!
No! Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Like gets executed or whatever. Is that what happens? Are we like executed? I think I'm gonna.
How many times have you said
I don't
get
know.
Dakota out? That's
This
kind
is a hard decision.
Oh, you all want to be the middle row, huh? Fuck you.
I'm still stuck over here, guys.
I'm fucking first class.
It's sort
Losers.
of scary.
I voted Gertrude too. Oh my god.
Oh my god, look!
Oh my god.
She's going in. Oh my god.
You know, in a way, I was hoping it was someone else, but
Well,
you're really good.
no, you should throw it. You should throw it to me. You should throw it to me. You have 3 swords? No, that would be unfair. Obviously, I only have 1. You should like throw it because it's like totally unfair.
Oh my god. She's a beast.
Stop, please. You're sick and twisted.
Why would you go chase?
Oh.
Fight her! Fight her!
Stop it.
Yeah, Sunny!
No! Oh my god. This is sick and twisted. You just sent 3
Gertrude, no.
people home. You just sent 3 people home. I hope you all burn in
It's
the
a
fiery
triple.
pits of
You
hell.
know, I think it's a
Okay, bye,
curse.
guys.
choices.
Why is the top 3 all scavengers 1? It doesn't matter who loses and who
Why
wins.
is it
You're
the
all
lantern?
internal.
Because I can still do better than you.
Hello?
If it gives me a fucking duffer, this game is rigged. And then we voted blue in again. Why do I have a duffer? It's fucking final 3 why I get duffered.
Dufford. You're so smart. No, I love the choice of words. No, because Tyler, can you please win? I don't want to.
Oh my god, I found it.
Sunny, it's on the, oh, never mind.
Oh my god, who's gonna win?
Sunny won, I'm pretty sure.
Sunny.
Me and Blue's little moment, my Sunny's over there screaming.
Everybody who has been eliminated can talk if they want, I guess. Like, because there's only one. There's only one talking
guys,
person left.
I got eliminated in Scavengers 1, that should count.
No, you didn't. You got
Actually,
runner up. You
so
never
sick
got
and twisted.
eliminated.
I got second.
No, why are we going to Egypt?
What's wrong with Egypt?
Oh,
What do you have against
stand
Egypt?
I hate this one. I go home on it way too much. It's not
Yeah,
fair.
that's for a reason.
Oh, remembers. Oh, that.
I'm gagged too, so
Imagine
don't worry.
what happens again. We love deja vu moments.
I always, no, because I always fuck that jump up and it's so annoying.
Tyler.
I can't ever win.
Blue's
it's not
throwing.
fair. Blue, just let me, you know, just.
You're so good.
Blue, oh my god.
Blue, just
Tyler, you kind of stuck.
Why? I wanted a minute.
Tyler, listen to me. You're still gonna be in finale because you made it to top 3.
Tyler, didn't you get third in the original as well? Can I like?
Can you leave?
Can you stop being obsessed with me saying vote Dakota out, vote Dakota out, vote Dakota out, fucking out?
No, you said can I, so I thought you were gonna say can you leave?
No.
Oh,
I'm staying up.
I was just trying to be nice.
No, I know what you want. You sly little snake. I know what you want.
What did I win?
I said want, not win. Dumb fuck.
Oh, I want you to leave. Oh.
I want you to shut up, retard.
Wait,
Oop.
shut up. Let the others speak.
Yeah, they're owning this fucking
That
voice
was your
chat right now.
cue. Hello, Echo,
Yeah,
Kitty.
Yeah, others
Janelle.
speak. Come on, others.
I like talking about
Yes.
Yeah, they're really eating.
Hello.
Ew.
Ew.
Who won?
I said, thank God that retard laughed. Why
Top
did you
2
bang
is
that?
Blue and Sunny.
Wait, what?
Top 2 is
The
Blue
top
and Sunny.
2, Blue and Sunny.
Oh my god!
And
Queen!
Tyler came 3rd.
Oh my god, wait,
I'm
what
not-
did Lucifer get? It was not the only other group 1 person.
Lucifer got 4th. Lukifxr got 4th. Sunny, I'm Blue.
Yay!
Blue die.
And Blue just is about to win. Blue, are you gonna let
Blue
Sunny
die.
win to be nice, or are you gonna be rude?
Nah, they're plotting. They're
Blue,
plotting.
Oh my
remember
God.
when I didn't buy inside you in group 1? Anyway, bye guys!
Oh my god.
I remember when you made that 5-person alliance against me.
Bye.
How about